Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and studying too. I welcome you all for the digital classroom. Students, in the last session, we have completed lesson number 1, Internet. Students, I hope you have written all the question answers in your workbook and your book is completed. Now in this session, we will be revising the question answers of lesson number 2, that is memory and storage. We will start with the first part, A part, that is fill in the blanks. The first question is, the information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits. The information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits. Students, do you know the answer? Yes, it's a binary digits. The next one is dash and dash are the two types of memories present in a computer. How many types of memories a computer have? Yes, there are two types of memories, that is internal and external. So these two types of memories present in a computer. The next one is, the internal memory is of two types, dash and dash. Students, the hints are given to you below the questions. So please go through. I hope you have read this hints. They are given: ROM, pen drive, external, 700 MB, 4.7 inches, internal, RAM and binary. From that we have taken binary, internal and external. Now here, internal memory is of two types. What can you say? What do you think? Yes, it's a RAM and ROM. So the internal memory is divided into two parts, that is RAM and ROM. The fourth one is, a flash drive is popularly known as. I should not give this answer because all of you must be knowing that flash drive is popularly known as. Yes, it's a pen drive. So the next one is, a CD can store up to dash of data and is dash in a diameter. Dear children, a CD can store up to 700 MB of data and is of 4.7 inches in a diameter. So I hope you understood this. I will request you all to please write this. Afterwards, I will be providing you the PDF file of this. So not to worry. We'll start with part B, that is state true or false, in which the first one is, RAM stands for random access memory. Dear children, for true or false, I will suggest you all, please read the statements twice. Try to understand it and then decide the given statement is true or false. I will repeat it for you. RAM stands for random access memory. What do you say on this? Absolutely a false statement, because the RAM stands for random access memory, and it is written here random access memory. So the statement given is false. The second one is, hard disk is made up of multiple disks. What do you say? Yes, it's a true statement. It is made up of multiple disks. The third one is, the size of a DVD is 4.1 inches. Dear children, Just now in Philips we have saw the size of the DVD is 4.7 inches. So the given statement is absolutely false. So we'll start with fourth one. A flash drive is very small in size and it is rewritable. Dear children, flash drive is also known as pen drive, I told you. And you know, pen drive is very small in size and it is rewritable. Whatever we have written or copied earlier, we can delete it and we can rewrite on it. So the given statement is true. Fifth one is 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. So 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. No, because it's a KB, that is kilobyte. So the given statement is false. The next is part C. Match the following by coloring the correct pair with the same color. Now the given A part is ROM, CD, flash drive, DVD, Blu-ray disc. And in the B part it is given, I'll read it for you first. Plug and play device. I hope students you have kept a workbook in front of you. So the given B part is plug and play device, 50 GB, 4.7 in diameter, internal memory 4.1 GB. The first one is ROM. For ROM, what you are thinking? What will be the right match? Is plug and play device will match to ROM? No. 50 GB will match to ROM? No, not at all. Then 4.7 in a diameter, ROM? No. What is ROM? Yes, ROM is a part of internal memory. So ROM will absolutely match with internal memory. So the shape given in internal memory, you need to color with the same color of ROM. The next one is CD. What about CD? CD is what? The diameter of CD is how much? It is 4.7 in a diameter. So it will match to CD. The next one is flash drive. That is pen drive. So what will be the exact match to it? Yes, it's a plug and play device. We can plug it and play the device. So the next one is DVD. Sorry. DVD, what do you think? What will be the perfect match to DVD? Yes, it is of 4.1 GB. The next is Blu-ray disc. Do you know the size of Blu-ray disc? Which is 50 GB. So it will be the exact match. The next part is part D. Application based questions, in which the first one is Sohail could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. Which device will you suggest to him so as to copy his work? I will repeat. Sohail could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. Which device will you suggest to him so as to copy his work? Students, he want to store the things or the work which he has prepared and he wants to take it back to home to complete it. So what will be the device you will suggest him? Yes, it's a storage device named flash drive, that is pen drive. He will need a pen drive, right, to copy the things and will take it to home. The second one is Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disc and wants to see them at his place. Which device will you suggest to him so as to copy all the movies? See, movies are, it contains large amount of data. The files will be high. So, we will suggest a DVD so that he can copy all the movies in which and he can see at home. So, I hope you understood this. We'll start with part E, that is multiple choice questions. The first one is, the storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. The storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. And the options given are A. 4.2 GB to 16 GB, B. 4.1 GB to 17 GB, C. 4.7 GB to 17.1 GB. So the correct answer is, I have already highlighted with the green color. So B is the correct answer. It is given in the textbook. You must go through it. Second one, the maximum capacity of multimedia cards is up to dash. Multimedia cards, I have already told you what is multimedia card. Is a flash memory card used to store or portable device like mobiles. In mobiles also we have card, multimedia card, SD card. Yes, so digital cameras also nowadays, music players. So for that we use it. So what is the capacity of multimedia cards? Yes, see the options given are 223 GB, 31 GB and the C is 128 GB. The correct answer is 128 GB. Third one is, dash is not a secondary storage device. And the options given are RAM, DVD, flash drive. What is DVD is again a secondary storage device. Flash drive is again secondary storage device. But RAM is the primary memory, random access memory. So it is not a secondary storage device. So the correct one is RAM. Next is, answer the following. First one, what do you understand by computer's memory? Name its parts. And the answer is, computer's memory determines the number of programs a computer can run at a time and how fast this program will run. Computer's memory is of 2 types, A. internal memory, B. external memory. The next one is, write the difference between RAM and ROM. Mention any 2 points. Dear children, what is the answer of second question? What is the difference between RAM and ROM? RAM is a temporary or volatile memory, whereas ROM is a permanent or non-volatile memory. That means, temporary means what? If you switch off the computer without saving or the current will go off, then whatever work you have done will not be saved on RAM. Whereas ROM is what? Data stored in RAM can be retrieved and altered. Data stored in ROM can only be read. See, in the name only we have, it is read only memory. So we cannot change or alter the things in ROM. The third one is, What is hard disk? And the answer is hard disk is the main storage medium for computers. It is fixed inside the CPU. It can hold large amount of data and is made up of multiple disks. And the fourth one is explain the features that have made flash drive extremely popular. What are the features? Because of that extremely popular हो गया है pen drive. Yes, we all know what is pen drive. Everyone is now having a pen drive. So why it is so much popular? Because flash drive is a plug and play device. It is small, lightweight, removable, rewritable and easy to carry drive. It can store up to 1 TB of data. Flash drives are faster, hold more data and are more reliable. The fifth one is, there are only four questions in this. So we have completed this question answers of lesson number 2. I'll be sending you the PDF file of this as I told earlier. So not to worry, my dear children, but you need to complete your workbook